Hearing for Edo State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal still continue as witnesses from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) on Tuesday 21 January 2025 give testimony on how irregularities allegedly dey for the September 21, 2024 Edo State Governorship election for 3 local government areas of the state. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) announced say Okwerolo of the All Progressive Congress (APC) win the election wey shele across the 18 local government areas of the state. PDP and their candidates for the election, Asue not dey satisfied with the declaration, so them challenge INEC's declaration of Okwerolo as winner. Led in evidence by the PDP counsel, Abiodun Owonikoko, one of the witnesses, Kennedy Osifo, bring agents copies of the election results for 76 polling units for Ward 2 for Ikpoba-Okha local government area. He talk say he noticed 4 electoral irregularities. Osifo talk say these irregularities show when them compare the agent copies with the certified true copies of the Beavers accreditation report where them get from INEC's IREF portal. He talk say Indo highlight the discrepancies for a witness statement on oath and come urge the tribunal to accept them as evidence. Osifo wey talk say him be the PDP local government collation officer for the election, alleged say INEC used wrong scores to declare the final result. When them cross-examine am, Osifo talk say the testimony wey him give dey based on only the 2 documents and not be from contacts with the agents. Another witness, Adebayo Ogedegbe, talk say he see irregularities for 45 units across Akoko-Edo local government area. For 41 of the units, Ogedegbe wey claim say he be the party collation officer for the local government, talk say INEC use wrong scores wey not match the records for the certified true copies. The witness also talk say overvoting dey for 4 units and he want tender the agent copies of the results for those units to support him claims. For Owan West local government area, Lucky Aroye bring agent copies of results for 9 units where he also talk say overvoting happen. Aroye talk say records not dey of sensitive materials for 7 units for the local government and he can urge the tribunal to adopt his statement on oath as evidence. When them ask Aroye if he visits all the units for the local government as collation officer, he talk say he not get how he go fit do am sake of the numbers of the units. Kalu Agabi, Oyenchi Ikpeazu, and Emmanuel Okala, wey be the INEC, Okwerolo, and APC lawyers respectively, object to the admissibility of the tender documents but then reserve their reasons till them submit their final written addresses. The tribunal chairman, Justice Wilfred Kpochi, talk say the documents go dey acceptable provisionally as evidence and he come adjourn the sitting till Wednesday 22nd of January 2025 for the continuation of hearing. After the adjournment to Wednesday, one of the APC lawyers, Stephen Okoror, come yarn our Tory person Osaze Isenere say,
hearing has commenced. 2 witnesses were called by PDP, and they of course they led them in evidence in their examination in chief. They were cross-examined. Documents tendered through them. Our legal team, we are set, we are ready, and we must move forward. Victory is ours. No shaking.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.